Looking for the best smokers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Trager Ironwood XL. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game to a level that would make even the most seasoned pit masters break into a sweat, then the Trager Ironwood XL is your new best friend. Weighing in at a solid 243 pounds, this beauty isn't just a grill. It's a culinary powerhouse that could probably win an arm wrestling match against your neighbor's flimsy charcoal tube. With a whopping 924 square inch of grilling space, say goodbye to the days of cramming your ribs like a sardine can. Whether you're hosting the ultimate backyard barbecue or prepping meals for the week, you'll have room for up to 12 chickens or 9 racks of ribs. That's some serious meat potential. Now, let's talk tech. The Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen lets you control your grill from your couch. Because who wants to leave the comfort of snacks and beverages while their masterpiece cooks? With the ability to maintain stable heat between 165 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you can smoke, grill, roast, bake, and braise like a pro. Super Smoke Mode is just a button away, boosting the dreamy hardwood flavor without the hassle of gas or charcoal. So, gear up, fire it up, and get ready to impress. With the Trager Ironwood XL, you're not just grilling. You're embarking on a flavor journey that will have everyone begging for your secret. Number 2. GE Profile Smart. If you're tired of the same old stove-cooked meals and find yourself daydreaming about the smoky, savory goodness of barbecue, then the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is your culinary soulmate. Say goodbye to outdoor grilling drama and embrace the joy of smoky flavors. Right from your kitchen. This sleek carbon black beast is more than just a pretty face. Weighing in at 20.41 kilograms of pure potential, it sports a stainless steel outer shell that screams sophistication. Underneath, you'll find cold-rolled carbon steel enamel that's built to last, ready to transform your culinary skills from mat to master chef in minutes. The magic starts with active smoke filtration, turning real wood smoke into warm air. So you can whip up smoky brisket or pork but without setting off the smoke alarms. Plus, it offers precision smoke control, allowing you to play conductor in a symphony of flavors. 6 preset food settings mean that even your Aunt Edna could crack the code to perfect ribs and chicken wings. Bonus points if you don't tell her your secret. And when it comes to flavor, you get to decide how smoky things get. With 5 adjustable smoke settings, you can tailor your barbecue experience to suit your taste buds. Whether you want just a hint of woodsy goodness or a full-on flavor explosion, your kitchen just found its new crown jewel. Before we reveal Number 3. Pit Boss PBV3G13 Series. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game, meet your new best friend, the Pit Boss PBV3G13 Series Gas Smoker. This beauty isn't just a pretty face and a sleek red hammer-tone finish. It's your ticket to achieving smoky perfection without breaking a sweat. Weighing in at 63 pounds, it's sturdy enough to stand its ground while still being portable with 2 rear rolling wheels. Perfect for when you need to roll it out for a backyard barbecue blast. With a dual valve and dual stainless steel burner system, this bad boy kicks out a whopping 12,500 British thermal units, giving you the power to go from a gentle 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a fiery 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It boasts a spacious 720 square inch of cooking area, ensuring that no one goes home hungry. You'll have 4 porcelain-coated cooking grids at your disposal. Perfect for creating a feast that'll make your neighbors weep with envy and clean up a breeze. Thanks to the external wood chip and ash removal features and a front access grease drawer, you'll spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring those smoky delights. With a large viewing window and a professional heat indicator, you'll feel like a grill master every time you peek in. So fire it up and get ready to impress. Smoke meats are just a burner away. Number 4. Masterbuilt Digital Electric. If you believe that great flavor is just one smoke away, the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker is your ticket to mouth-watering moments. Say goodbye to guesswork and embrace precision with its digital controls that let you set your desired temperature in cooking time. Perfectly smoking up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll feel like a barbecue maestro without needing a degree. Don't you hate when you lose that precious heat and smoke while loading chips? Well, the patented sidewood chip loader is here to save the day. It lets you add wood chips without opening the door and losing your cooking mojo. Keep all that heat, smoke, and moisture locked in for succulent, juicy masterpieces that'll have your friends begging for your secret recipe. Want to take your meat game to the next level? Don't forget about the removable water bowl. It adds the ideal moisture for perfectly tender meats and allows you to experiment with different juice flavors to elevate your culinary creations. With a spacious vertical design offering 711 square inches of cooking bliss, you'll have room for up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, or 4 racks of ribs. Because who wouldn't want a feast fit for a king? Plus, with 4 chrome-coated smoking racks included, you'll feel like a pimp in no time. Dive into a world of flavor and make your backyard the ultimate barbecue destination. Still searching for the perfect smoker? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 5. Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker. If you've been searching for an affordable way to elevate your grilling game, look no further than the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker. It's not just a smoker, it's your ticket to barbecue heaven on a budget. With its sleek black aluminum body, this beauty weighs in at a lightweight 23 pounds, perfect for those impromptu backyard parties or camping trips that require a well-deserved feast. You get 2 spacious cooking grates, which means you can smoke a couple of mouth-watering briskets simultaneously. That's right, you'll be the designated grill master and your friends won't stop talking about your skills. But wait, there's more. The silicone temperature grommet lets you keep a close eye on your smoking masterpiece. Control the heat like a boss by simply adjusting the dampers. Forget about juggling charcoal and wood. The handy fuel door comes off to make refueling easier than ever, so you can focus on what really matters. The tantalizing aroma wafting through the air and the anticipation of sinking your teeth into perfectly smoked goodness. Built with a porcelain enameled lid and bowl that won't rust or peel, this smoker is as durable as it is charming. So whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting on your smoking journey, the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker will have you impressing guests and making everyone's stomachs rumble in no time. Your ultimate barbecue adventure awaits.